Hello everyone, I am Dalia Bose. I am PGT teacher in Geography of Bodhisattva School. I have attended one workshop which was held on 28th June and the resource person was Mrs. Shutapa Acharya and the topic was gratitude.
Gratitude is being aware of and thankful for the good things that happen in your life and taking the time to express appreciation and return kindness.
Gratitude, an important life skill. Gratitude improves social ties and promotes a positive social behavior. It makes other people want to be grateful too. It improves self esteem, encourages generosity, and enforces team spirit, makes a person emotionally resilient, develops empathy. The benefits of gratitude: improve physical health, improves sleep, improve psychological health, improves empathy, reduces aggression, more social connection, enhances self esteem, improves mental strength. Importance of gratitude in everyday life: it helps us to focus on the good in our lives, nurture relationships with friends and family, develop a positive outlook, appreciate the little things that otherwise remains unnoticed.
Gratitude in workplace. Gratitude in workplace help to build a kinder, happier and more purposeful culture and more dedicated, productive local employees. People want to work where there is a culture of recognizing great work effort, great workers, and actions that help to grow. Practicing gratitude among teachers would help them to become role models in inculcating gratitude among students.
Tips for cultivating gratitude in the workplace: top down thankfulness. Leaders in the workplace should participate employees who are taking on additional responsibilities. Positive reinforcement. Team leaders can take time to acknowledge a job well done and celebrate the accomplishment through group lunch. Offering personal development. Co workers giving each other a scope for personal growth is a mutually beneficial way to show care and gratitude. Supporting volunteer activities. Participating in charitable activities as a team or organization will foster a spirit of togetherness and teamwork among the employees. Gratitude tree. Put up a thankful tree. Set up a thankful tree in a common area of workplace and provide colorful paper cutout tree ornaments in a bowl next to it. Encourage the employees and team members to write their gratitude note on a paper cutout and hang it on the tree. Together, The ornaments will be a daily visual reminder of gratitude for the whole team. Celebrate Gratitude Day and play Appreciation Hot Seat. Celebrate World Gratitude Day on 21st September and have members of the team sit one at a time in a hot seat. Everyone else tells the person in the hot seat why they appreciate them and express gratitude for their work and any help or kindness recently given, etc. This is a good activity for annual retreats, employee orientation, and other events that provide time for games. Gratitude in classroom. What you appreciate appreciates. When teachers practice and teach an attitude of gratitude in the classroom, the full classroom environment is improved for everyone. When fear and divisiveness cast a shadow over our schools, gratitude may help us see the good. Also, students can harness positive thinking to increase their grades, goals, and quality of life. How to raise grateful children? Be their role model. Express your gratitude out loud. Encourage them to participate in activities that involve gratitude. Point out the moments when they are grateful and speak about them often. Also, point out when they are not grateful and determine why together. Help them learn to relate thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Gratitude journal. Encourage students to think for 1 minute about what they are thankful for or who they are thankful to. They can write the journal on something outside I am thankful for, something inside I am thank you for, an event I am thankful for, a skill I am thankful for, something fun I am thankful for, something beautiful I am thankful for. Classroom gratitude jar. Make students write appreciative words about one another on a piece of paper and drop in an empty jar. Afterwards, have students come up and read items from the jar. Circle of gratitude. Sit with your students in a circle and share what you are grateful for. Ask the student to follow and speak. Allow each student to say something they are grateful for. Random acts of kindness. Discuss what random acts of kindness are. Lead with example. Perform random acts of kindness in the classroom. Appreciate students for every achievement. You can also create a bulletin board or a wall graffiti where the students can write the random acts of kindness.
Thank you.